chest on my chest. Be my lover, yeah, be my best friend.
I wanted to make a really short video this week to highlight one of our favorite spots to explore. It's not our usual remote location expose, but it's a wonderful little park and an adventure really close to home.
Hand on my head, chest.
Today we are off to a provincial park located just 15 minutes outside Victoria.
To the sound of voices and of drums.
First things first though, we need to get coffee for this cold fall day.
West was one. We left New York City with our windows down. We couldn't see the trees and it was too.
The drive to Goldstream Provincial Park is easy, and the park lays just at the beginning of the notorious Malahat Highway that heads to the north part of Vancouver Island.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sold my new car and bought a diamond ring.
Goldstream Park was established in June 1958. Although not an old park, the trees along the Goldstream River are old growth that has been left alone. The park spans only 3.79 acres, but it is nonetheless an impressive area.
We left New York City with our windows down. We couldn't see the trees and it was too damn loud. I will stand on your border and I'll wait for the sound. Yeah, we left New York City with our windows down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
The Goldstream River dumps into an inlet known as Finlayson Arm, and it is famous for its yearly salmon run. Although there were only a couple of salmon in the river when we visited, we still had a fantastic time exploring the trails.
Play them for people, and we found a church, and then we found a steeple, and these songs I've been writing are paying the bill. We started a family, you love me still.
It seems that fewer and fewer salmon are returning to BC rivers, and that their habitat is threatened by climate change, fish farming, and human-caused issues. Hopefully, we can find a solution to the many environmental issues to maintain these beautiful places and the fishery industry that supports thousands of people in the coastal regions of British Columbia. In 1863, rumors of gold in the park drove a short but intense gold rush to the region, and some abandoned mine entrances can still be seen along some of the trails in the park.
Worn, I am weary, travel far, now retreating. I've longed for this place, longed for this place for so long. Now I lay me down and be long. And I breathe in the air fresh from the blessed Midwest. I am held by the forest where I go for rest, and washed by the waters of Lake.
Although this place is not remote and it is easily accessible by anyone, including those with mobility issues, it is still an amazing place, full of wildlife and pristine old-growth forest to set your gaze upon.
The blessed Midwest. I am torn, I am bleeding. chasing home. Oh, till we meet again, till we meet again. Oh,
If you're in the park, I would recommend checking out the west side of the road. A short hike will bring you to a beautiful waterfall known locally as Little Niagara.
and washed by the waters of Lake Michigan, and wherever I go.
There is also a massive trestle bridge high above the waterfall in the park known as Goldstream Trestle. Unfortunately, the trestle is now fenced off, but you can still make the hike up to it and check it out. The trestle, train tracks, and the train tunnel are private property, and park users have been discouraged from visiting them. If you're in the area, definitely check this place out. It's fantastic no matter what the weather, and the trails are short and easy to navigate.
And washed by the waters of Lake Michigan, and wherever I go, I will return again to my home.
Thanks for watching, and as always, I wish you were here.
Blessed Midwest, the blessed Midwest.